Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com as well as TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. A teenager is dead while another is seriously injured following an incident involving the police in southern St. Andrew. The situation sparked anger, which turned into fiery protests. More from Dwayne Anderson.
A police service vehicle lodged in a wall and a mangled motorcycle a few feet away. It's the culmination of a high-speed chase around 11 Saturday night along Woodpecker Avenue off Olympic Way, St. Andrew. 19-year-old Jaheim Morrison died in the incident. The other teen who was on the motorcycle is in critical condition in hospital. Angered by it all, residents took to the streets.
Them just leave from out of the yard, so by the time them reach on the top of the road and come down, police start trace them because the bike new. So them a test out the bike. And them just lick them down right as and drive over them.
The residents have many questions. Among them, did the police fire on the young men? Were the police officers under the influence of alcohol at the time, which may have impaired their judgment? And why did alleged eyewitnesses have their recordings scrapped?
The one where then auntie take picture and video and them take the phone from her and delete everything.
Who did that?
The policeman, the rest of police them, take out the liquor them out of the police them car will lick them and put it in a private vehicle and them drive off.
The commanding officer for the St. Andrew South Police Division faced the angry residents.
Based on what you outlined to me, I understand. What I want to say to you is this. My support for you and to ensure that this matter is investigated fully is without limits. It will be investigated.
Now, several roadblocks have been erected here along Woodpecker Avenue, just off Olympic Way. I counted at least 4 of them. Now, police personnel have since come here and removed some of the blockade and have encouraged residents to protest peacefully. But the residents, they want Indicom to come in immediately and give them a speedy investigation.
We need justice, for the police them is wicked. Two innocent people, them they never do nothing wrong. All them do them tic-tac show.
Jamaica go run like 80. Because we are all human. Police come to serve and protect civilians. But you deal with them like them not even argue because them want them to argue.
Indicom has started its probe. Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.